Saan mo gusto dyan, Lar?
Grabe,
Hindi na lang,
in
kasi
demand,
wala na tayong-
hindi po nawawala.
Okay.
Ayun.
How do you feel about this, napakainit na fans day?
Yan,
It's a very special day. Sabi nga nila, if it's a special day, it must be a meaningful day. And it is definitely a very, very meaningful day for me because of MWell. And I'm feeling very well. I'm feeling very well. Bubulol tuloy ako. Because ang happening na to was really designed for the press and for the fans. And it's maraming giveaway na binigay ngayon, maraming mga gifts na binigay ngayon. And ang gaganda because this is the first time I would have ever had or never had a watch na meron akong picture ko. So we gave away 3 watches na meron akong picture. And ang laki ng benefits talaga ng makukuha ninyo with this watch.
Buti may time pa po kayo kasi may taping daw kayo soon. Kailan po?
Yes, mag-umpisa na kami ng taping this the end of the month. And minamadali nga namin na tapusin lahat ng dapat gawin, especially dun sa on our personal side. Pag nag-umpisa na ng taping, we're taping 4 days in a week. So we're gonna be really full week. Meron pa rin, hindi siya lucky, pero 4 days siya. Pero thank God, meron pa tayong Saturday and Sunday for our day off.
Nakakatuwa rin na itong time na to na yung mga fans mo are here at
Yes.
you sang for them, you sang with them.
Yeah. Yung nga, the sound system's not designed for singing, pero okay lang naman. Miski a cappella, game na rin. No? So yeah, thank you very much, Lar. We had a good time. Thanks for coming also.
How is it whenever you're with your fans?
Nare-recall.
Napaka-loyal nila.
Yes, nare-recall ko nga yung times na nagkakaroon kami ng fans day at 4 o'clock every Sunday. Ito naman, it started at 1, it ends at 4. You know, so I hope magkaroon tayo uli ng mga ganito. But of course, everybody's busy these days. Pwede na rin naman natin, nag-request nga sila eh. Pwedeng gawin ulit. So gagawin natin uli yun.
How did you manage to keep the relationship after all these decades? Kasi isa po kayo sa talagang hanggang ngayon, parang pamilya mo yung supporters mo.
Andiyan lang sila parate, miski hindi sila nagpapakita. But they're always there. So pag merong event, a birthday mo, gugulat ka na lang, binabati ka nila. It's very, ang sarap ng feeling. I can't explain that feeling. Kasi wala ka namang ginawa para mahalin ka nila. But they're there because they love you. Eh may mga taong ganun talaga. Either they like you or they don't like you. And if they happen to like you, parang nanalo ng loto. Eh ilang tao yan. So hopefully I'm talking about millions. So parang na rin ako nanalo ng loto. Yeah.
Ano ka ngayon? When it comes to health, sobrang sobrang conscious ka sa health. Sabi nga, healthy is the new cancer.
Yes, ever since naman healthy ako, Lar, pero in a sense na I take things moderately. Although lahat kinakain ko, lahat sinusubukan ko. Pero ngayon at nalalaman mo na ang what to eat and what not to eat. Mas meron kang may conscience ka para isipin, ano ba to, makakabuti ba sa akin to o hindi. Pero minsan merong cheat day talaga. Masarap kumain miski mga chichirya. Can't lie. Pero kung makaiwas tayo, alam na natin we read about it, we see it, we research. And kung minsan natitempt ka pa rin, I'm not perfect. Pero as much as I can, I would love to be.
You're genetically gifted, pero nag-i-open ka ba magpa-stem cell, mga ganun?
Alam mo, naisip ko yung stem cell, natatakot ako eh. Kasi hindi natin alam, sabi nila, it repairs. But when does the stem cell stop? When does it say enough? So hindi
yun backfire.
Baka magkaroon ng side effects. Yeah.
And going back to your new project, yung mga makakasama mo napili na at
hindi ba Lar?
Sino?
Hindi pa eh. Ako yung first na na-interview nila. They wanted to see if I would accept the show. And then from there, maghahanap na daw sila ng leading lady. Tsaka yung mga ibang cast.
So, mag-storycon na kayo?
Tapos na yung storycon, napakinggan ko na, and I like it. So, meron lang ako mga suggestions. And ang ganda because nung nagkaroon uli kami ng second storycon, medyo kumapal, which is good. And I know na pagka ganyan na, tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Oo. Kasama ka ba? Mayroong shoot outside of the country?
Meron. You know about that, oo. Nabalita ko rin yun because nung nag-SorryCon, meron daw shoot abroad. Ito-tsempo nila sa isang mga festival. So, it would be fun to go abroad again. Oo.
East Coast?
East Coast, yes. So, hintayin na lang natin yan. I think, iba naman to. Na tinitignan ko lahat ng mga ginagawa ko, sabi ko, iba na naman to. Sabi ko, okay.
Whenever things like this come up sa mga projects, parang iba yung iba yung excitement.
Yes, especially pagka bago yung project, iba na naman yung mga kasama mo. Minsan hindi na trabaho eh. Parang it's masaya. Pag nag-enjoy ka sa trabaho, parang hindi trabaho.
Oo.
Pero puyatan lang talaga. Yun lang.
Oo. At
Pero bago na rin ngayon, hindi na masyadong puyatan na katulad dati
Sa
because of the Eddie Garcia law. So all is good.
You, of course, syempre, being a superstar and icon, yung anak mo ganun din si Casey. So we just want to know your 2 cents. How happy are you for Casey right now? Kasi,
Kamukha nga kayo ni Casey eh.
Ay,
No?
thank you.
Kamukha kayo.
Ganda siya eh, thank you. How happy are you for Casey right now? Kasi we've been seeing parang mga paparazzi shots na tila nagkabalikan na sila ni Ali.
Kahit naman sinong karelasyon niya, I'm happy for her. Ang importante is that she's happy. Oo. So, sana lang tuloy-tuloy. Masakit din pagka nagkakahiwalay sila. Kasi alam mo, she's hurting. Yeah. Pero if everything's well and good, sila na. That's great.
How is she right now?
Okay, pero I think she was sick a few days ago. Siguro okay na siya. She texted me, Papa, I'm sick.
That's nice.
what can you, anong message mo para sa mga followers mo when it comes to health?
Ay, nako, ang daming information ngayon dyan. Ang dami natin nakikita sa internet, sa mga reels, sa mga vlogs. So, hindi naman lahat yan pag sinundan mo, magiging healthy ka. Pero marami tayong nababalitaan ganun. Pero if we can avoid or follow kung ano yung tingin nating tama para sa atin, I really can't say what that is. Let's do what we can, para ma-extend ang buhay natin. Sabi nga nila, life is short. And siguro nasa atin na rin, of course, na kay God lahat ng desisyon kung kailan tayo aalis at mapupunta na sa Kanya. Pero at least makokontrol natin kahit na mapano kung ano yung kinakain natin, what we think is good for us. Yan po.
Thank you so much.